Hey guys, welcome back to the channel, and this is how to delete TikTok account. So first thing that you will do is simply go ahead and open up the TikTok application into your device. And now from here guys, just simply go ahead and tap on your profile on the bottom right corner of the screen. And now from here, just tap on the three lines at the top right corner of the screen over here. And now a pop-up will show up, guys, and just simply go to settings and privacy down below. And from here, just simply go to account at the very first one at the top. And down below, you should be able to see deactivate or delete account. So just simply tap on this. And now, guys, you will have two options. You can either deactivate your account, which you can just simply reactivate it by logging in back again, or you can just simply tap on delete account, which after 30 days it will automatically delete. But if you log in within the 30 days, you can reactivate it. So just simply tap on delete account, and from here just simply provide why you are leaving TikTok and tap on continue. And from here, guys, as you can see, TikTok is letting you download your TikTok data so you won't lose your video post. So just simply download your data, and you can just simply tap on the continue down below to delete your account. And since I don't want to do that, I won't be able to show you, but if you do, this is where you will find it. If this video was helpful, please like and subscribe, and thanks for watching. See ya.